Can't afford VO3's expensive subscriptions? This hidden AI tool creates unlimited videos for absolutely free. No sign up, no watermarks, no credit limits. Perfect for creators on a tight budget who need professional content without the premium price tag. While VO3 charges 100 credits per video, costing you hundreds monthly, I discovered a hidden AI tool that nobody talks about that generates videos with zero cost. When you're budget conscious, this changes everything. First, go to Vheer.com. No account needed, no email required, no credit card. It has features like text to image, image to image, image to video, and other AI tools to take your creativity to the next level. The best part? It's completely free and unlimited. Let's start with text to image feature. Here, type a simple prompt. I will type a close-up of a beautiful lady with glittering makeup holding a phone. Then select the mode. Quality mode provides better results but takes time for generation. Fast mode generates the image faster, but the quality is not as good as the other mode. To be quick, I will select fast mode, then select your desired aspect ratio. And all this is free and unlimited. Let's hit generate and wait for a few seconds. Boom! Look at the results, solid as if it was taken from a photo studio. Since no sign-up is required, always remember to save your creations. This tool doesn't lock you with one style. You can generate images in any style. This is the prompt I'm typing. A girl walking in a forest, then add Ghibli style. Then hit generate. Check this out. Such a cool image. In the same way, you can generate unlimited images in this style, perfect for animation lovers. Under the same tool, we have other features, but this AI action figure has been viral on social media. Let's try it out and imagine for free. I have watched a lot of tutorials where you need to first get a prompt from ChatGPT, then generate an image using another tool, and after animate it with Kling AI at a cost. From here, choose the action figure style. I will go with this. You can customize the prompts here. After select the generation mode, select aspect ratio. I will pick 9:16, then hit generate. Here are the results. I will also try this miniature world feature. Such creations are still trending on all socials. For the style, I will choose Japanese miniature. Then, under settings, simply replace with your favorite fruit. I will replace it with watermelon. Choose the generation mode, aspect ratio, and generate. Wow, look at the details. Incredible, and you can automate the entire channel with this single tool for free. There are other amazing features. In your free time, you can explore each. Let's look at image to image. Here you can generate consistent characters from the same image, transform it into a new style, generate AI headshots from a casual image to put on socials like LinkedIn, turn your image into anime characters, etc. For this demo, let me test out image to image generator. Simply upload an image. I will upload the first image we generated, then add a simple prompt. If you don't know where to start from, simply tap Generate Prompts automatically. You can also adjust the creative and control strength for better output, then hit Generate. See this? We have the same character but in a different pose. If you want to create a storyline with consistent characters, then this tool is the right one for you. For the amazing part, let's test out image to video. It's time to bring our images to life. I will start by uploading this image. What's amazing is that this AI detects the image prompt and also adds a video prompt. You can leave them by default and see what AI cooks, but I will add this. Camera slowly zooms in, wind blows to the video prompt, for more control on the result. For the settings, I will increase this to 30 frames per second. Hit generate. Now, check out the result. The camera slowly zooms and you can see the reflection in water as wind blows the tree leaves. In this way, you can animate any image for free. You can also try out Flux Content Editor. From consistent character design to background swaps, transform your visuals naturally and quickly. Plus, many other tools making this AI tool a full creative powerhouse. Stop letting expensive AI tools drain your budget when this free alternative gives you everything you need. From viral action figures to trending miniature worlds, all completely unlimited. I've put the link in the description. Go create your first free AI content right now. And if this saved your budget, hit that like button and subscribe so more creators can discover this hidden gem.